Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to set a specific text tone for a contact on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's jump into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Messenger app on your phone. Find that particular user who you like to change the text tone for. So for example, I'm going to click on my old man. So click into that conversation. And now from here, you want to click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand corner of your screen, should be located. And then from here, you'll have a notification sound. So click into notification sound to set a custom notification sound. So you can click on any one of these notification sounds. So for example, I'm going to click on the comic one. Once that is done, just simply click back. And as you can see, notification sound, comic is set. So next time I receive a text message from my old man, it will sound like a comic. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to set a text tone for a contact on your Android device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.